line 1, Star Wars, easy version, the main theme. So your left hand is going to play with your forefinger 3 G's and then a C, like a triplet. 1, 2, 3, triplet, triplet. And then your forefinger on your right hand is going to hit a G. 1, 2, 1, 2. Moving on, your left hand is going to play an A and a C with the 3 and 1 together. At the same time, your right hand is playing F, E, D. And then you're going to reach your forefinger up to grab a G. To grab a C and then a G. But in between, you're going to hit a G and C with your left hand. So it's going to go. So if we put that little piece together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving on, then you're crossing your right 3 finger over to the F from the G. So then you're going to jump up to grab that C again. Now when you're doing that F, E, D, your left hand is playing A and C together. Jumping up to grab the C. So you have the C and G with the left hand and then the G. So those two measures are exactly the same. You just have this crossover that happens in between them. So I started on the note from the previous measure. Let's put all that together. Moving on, you're going to cross your 3 finger over again from the right hand, and you're going to play F, E, F, and your left hand is going to play a B flat at the same time. Then you're going to slide that 2 finger down to a B, and the forefinger is going to grab a G, while your right hand thumb hits a D. So that's going to sound like this. If we put all that together, we have this.